গুড মর্নিং। অনেক দিন পর মেঘলা আকাশটা পরিষ্কার হয়ে বেশ ভালোই লাগছে। ওগুলো কারা? ওয়াকিং, মর্নিং ওয়াক। যাক, আজকে অনেক দিন পর রোদের মুখটা দেখলাম। চলো কাজে যাই। अरे ये किसने रख दिया? जो भी है, मेरा काम तो डन है। चलो लेट्स गो टू द एम फ्लोर फॉर हैविंग लंच।
अरे कैसा है भाई? तो भाई
हाँ सर, बढ़िया हूँ सर। ऐसे ही सोचा कि ये बनाते बनाते आ गए। मैं आ रहा हूँ नेक्स्ट मंथ। आई विल कम टू द फ्रंट ऑफिस अगेन। 4 महीना। ये है गुजरात, वडोदरा सिटी। और मैं जिधर काम कर रहा हूँ, दूर मुझे पहाड़ दिख रहा है और पहाड़ में मुझे जाना है। बट अभी नहीं, बट कभी तो सही, जाना तो है। जो भी है, आई एम डूइंग माई वर्क करंटली। आई एम इन housekeeping department, and I have to do every kind of housekeeping work. To be honest, it's not bad. Like so many people says that housekeeping is a dirty work. Obviously, it's kind of dirty, but the thing is, ki if you can this dirty work, you can do anything, right? So and I hope कि ये हाउसकीपिंग डिपार्टमेंट्स और जो बाकी डिपार्टमेंट जो हैं, इनका जो वर्क प्रेशर, वर्क लोड जो भी है ना, इससे आगे जाके मुझे फ़ायदा ही होने वाला है. Like I'm getting used to it. Yeah. When I was in my home, I tried to escape from the hard work, but now I can't escape from the hard work, right? And every day I'm doing hard work, and it's good to be used to with this hard work. It will pays off. One day it will pays off definitely. So और क्या है कि जब मैं घर में जाके भी सारा काम कर सकता हूँ ना, घर का भी जो काम है, हाउस होल्ड वर्क्स, वो भी मुझे आ जाएगा हाउस कीपिंग से. सो इट्स नॉट बैड फॉर माई लाइफ फ्यूचर, बट डेफिनेटली हाँ, आई नेवर वॉन्ट्स टू डू दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्क फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम, एंड आई विल नॉट डू दिस वर्क फॉर द लॉन्ग टाइम, राइट. मुझे लिंडे में कुछ लड़के दिख रहे हैं. I suppose they are new employer. I don't know. ये है लिंडे, सामने जो दिख रहा है ना, लिंडे कंपनी इज केमिकल एंड ग्रीन एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस कंपनी, whatever. My lift is coming. Let's go. Bro, I just came to the 10th floor and I just wanna what? I just wanna see you. I just wanna show you. Sorry, I just wanna show you the situation of this room. Obviously, it's a vacant room, dirty vacant room. Let's see the result. This is the condition of this 5-star room because it's undergoing maintenance. That's why the situation of this room is quite dirty. Not just quite dirty, it's heavy dirty in the bathroom. I just came, my supervisor told me to come this floor, and after came this room, came this floor. He gives me the task to clean this room, and I'm going to clean this room. Oh, it will take time. I will. Sorry. Mm. I guess it will take 1 hour, approximately 1 hour, because if I finish this room very early, then I have to go to the another room for cleaning another floor. So that's why I'm going to do some bunk activities. That's how I can tolerate the work pressure. Otherwise, they will put me in any other floor, in any other room, in any another with someone. Okay, so let's start the cleaning. First time I will do the vacuum cleaning, then I will make dusting. I will start dusting with the duster, then I will make the bathroom, then I will apply a wet mop from like like this. So after that it will be clean and ready for the sale. So let's get started. ये देखो भाई साहब, बाहर का नज़ारा कुछ ऐसा है. चलो शुरू करते हैं फिर. Okay, do you want to know about the housekeeping service? So let me show you the housekeeping. These are the trainees department, trainees section in the housekeeping department. They are clean the bathroom like me. I'm cleaning the bathroom, including the WC and the shower, the mirrors, this mirror also, this tub, everything. So freshers or interns have to start from this bathroom section, and gradually when uh, he became good to make bathroom, then he or she will come into the bedroom. This he or she will start make beds and everything in this room. So these are the journey. This is the journey about housekeeping service, and I'm doing well. I Sometime I got stressed, but it's okay to be stressed in this time. But as I told you before, that I will go to the another some work. I will never do this for my whole lifetime. I don't know why I joined this industry. I don't know anything, and why I should do this in life. But I think life tries to realize myself, including me, that who I am and what I'm going to do, what I can do, everything like this. So yes, let's make the bathroom. I don't know anything, but I just only wants to become independent, wants to becoming independent boy who can who can do anything whatever he want. Like what I want I can do. I think that's the independency. So yeah, I will start this journey to becoming independent in my life, to doing what I love in my life. So yeah, I will share my journey to be independent in my life, and please stay with me, support me, मेरे पास रहना, साथ रहना. Becoming independent, I need your help, I need your support. I don't know when I will become independent, but I believe that uh, some days, I don't know when, but some days I really hope that I will become independent some days by doing this, because to call independency, like you have your own time, you owning your time, doing what you love, mm, and just ignoring what you doesn't. That doesn't mean that you don't do the hard work part. Becoming independent, you have to be hard work first, hard work person, and I am doing the hard work now. So I don't know why I start this, why I join this industry, but this is not my type. My type is something else, something different from this life. I always wants to do the thing that I love. I never wants to settle, but I wants to be a great person, right? I wants to be a great person by doing what I love. Love means I love to travel, I love to make content, I love to make videos like this. I'm, yeah, capturing my life, capturing my um, growth, and capturing everything. By the way, I just I just what I just discovered that I'm not discovering. I just realized that I have 10,000, almost 8,000, yeah, 8,000 rupee in my bank account. So it's good, right? It's good. When it was a time, it was a time when I don't have even 1,000 rupee, but now I have 8,000, 8,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8,000 rupees in my bank account. I can't believe that, right? I can't even believe these things. So yeah, I hope I will become independent so easily. I'm not very uh, far from this. I'm very closer to this, and I just need your support, guys. Just supporting like this, support me like this. Ki I have generate, I can generate income from the YouTube, and yeah, only I do this YouTube channel, and nothing I do for becoming independent. But I think I have to do something else. देखते हैं कब होता है, क्या होता है, बट आई होप कि आप लोग अगर मेरे साथ ऐसे रहोगे तो कुछ बन सकता हूँ, कुछ हो सकता है मेरे लाइफ में जल्द से जल्द. तो चलो देखते हैं क्या होता है. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to start to become independent in my life by doing what I love, and I just discovered that when it was a time when I don't have even 1,000 rupees in my bank account, but now I have 8,000 rupees in my bank account. So yeah, I think it's very close to become independent. No, it's not very close, but I want to independent by doing what I love. I love to travel. I love to make content. I love to see the whole world. I love to explore the culture, the foods, and everything. Right. So, yeah. And I want to become independent by doing these things. I need your support. I need your support very much. Yeah. If you help me to grow in my this YouTube journey, and I just discovered that I just realized that I will start a mission to becoming independent by doing these things. uh, yes, so support me and stay with me, stay tuned, and just try to try to observe myself, my life struggle, and yeah, stay with me. I will make some good content as well for you. Not now, but I will I'll never stop making videos. That's the first thing, because I these things, only these things I love to do from my core of the heart. That's why I'm doing this, and that's why I can say that I will do these things. Instead of these things, I can't very assured that I will spend my whole life to make something else. But this thing, just doing this thing, becoming a person who loves to do whatever he want, whatever he doing in life, everything. Yeah. So stay with me and just give me some good wishes to be whatever I want in my life, and that's it. That's totally fine for today. I will see you soon. Love you. तो ये है बड़ा पाव. वैसे तो ये मुंबई में बहुत फेमस है, बट गुजरात में आके भी मैं एक खा रहा हूँ बड़ा पाव. देखते हैं कैसा होता है टेस्ट. वो खाने के बाद हम बताएंगे. अब ड्यूटी ख़त्म होने को है, चलो इसको टेस्ट करते हैं. ये तो ऐसा इट्स लुक लाइक दिस. ठीक है ना, चलो लेट्स एंजॉय. ये खाना और ये खाने वाला खाना, ये खाना और ये खाने वाला खाना. चलो करते हैं डिनर. लेट्स हैव डिनर. इसके बाद काम भी करना है. चलो. और द टाइम इज़ नाउ 9:30, ऑलमोस्ट 9:30. और मैं आया था 10 बजे और अभी भी काम करो. देखो क्या कर रहा हूँ. आई जस्ट pick the laundries from the room and I have to deliver it in the laundry office. Let me open the office. पहले खोल लेते हैं. और इधर से जो फ्रेश लिनन होगा, ये बाय द वे ये सॉइल लिनन है. जो फ्रेश लिनन है उसको लेना पड़ेगा. ये होता है काम. इधर रखते हैं इसको. चलो लेट्स पुट इट. और ये जो फ्रेश दिख रहा है, ये जो फ्रेश लिनन्स है, ये सब कुछ रखना होगा पहले. चलो काम करते पहले. ओके. और आई जस्ट गॉट द फ्रेश लिनन्स एंड आई हैव टू डिलीवर इट टू द हाउस कीपिंग डिपार्टमेंट. चलो. डोर को अच्छी तरह से बंद कर देते पहले. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेट है ये, बहुत टाइट है यार. एक बार चिपक जाता है ना तो वो टूटता है. तो लेट्स गो टू द B2. आई होप कि अब हो गया है काम. चलो चलो. तो भाई साहब फाइनली खत्म ड्यूटी. सुबह से शाम हो गए, शाम नहीं रात हो गए. ड्यूटी अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. और ये क्या ज़िंदगी है? हाँ, ये ज़िंदगी तो नहीं है, कुछ और है. इस ज़िंदगी मुझे नहीं चाहिए. नहीं चाहिए. कब मैं कुछ करूँगा, कब मैं कुछ कर पाऊँगा खुद से. चलो अब घर में जाते हैं और जाके सो जाते हैं सीधा. आजा. चलो लेट्स गो टू होम. अभी हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? बासाए. चलो घर जाके नहाना है ना थोड़ा सा. तू तो नहीं नहाएगा रे. चलो गर्म पानी करके नहाते हैं. चलो मस्त करके. ठीक है. चल आज का वीडियो बना लेते हैं, फिर अपलोड करते हैं. चल.